The cosmetics and skincare industry is one of the most polluting and waste-producing industries there is. So we've come to South London today to meet UpCircle, who are not only committed to producing no waste and no plastic, but are also taking food waste out of the system and reducing the impact by putting that into their products.
This is my brother, and we are the co-founders of UpCircle. So we were both kind of in jobs that we weren't loving, looking for that penny drop moment so that we could start a business that had a purpose beyond profit.
Walking to work one day, I noticed that everyone had a coffee in their hands.
We decided to start collecting coffee grounds and turning them into skincare products.
Hi!
Hey, how are you?
I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I'm part of the warehouse team. It's a team of 3, myself, Drew and Rosie, and one of the roles is just pick up coffee grounds from coffee shops. We process them and get them sent off to be turned into products.
Coffee in particular has a range of amazing skin benefits, high levels of caffeine, which help promote circulation. It's also very high in antioxidants, which fight free radicals, which are one of the main sources of aging as well.
When you're working for an eco company, it becomes your life. Recycle, you encourage others, they want to be a part of it too, you know?
It's all just from today.
Yeah. You know, we grew up in a world where a lot of things, they just get thrown away. And I like the way that UpCircle have upcycled products, like the clues in the name, you know.
Now I've been on a food waste collection and met with Anna and Will, we decided to go down to Dorset, where they manufacture their products, to meet with their head formulator. Hi, Bob.
Hi.
Emily.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so what have we got here?
Okay.
What are we doing?
Today we're making UpCircle shampoo. It's a very interesting shampoo because it uses very little water. Really great for the environment.
Yeah.
Smaller packaging.
Oh, wow.
So what you're getting is a lot of product in a small container. The way that we work, there's a lot of hands-on. So we use some machines, but our preference is to use people over machines. In terms of the raw ingredients, we feel that people bring more attention, they bring more connection with the ingredients, rather than everything just going through a large machine. And in every product, there is at least one repurposed ingredient.
It all started with coffee, but we now upcycle over 20 different ingredients. Everything from powders like powdered olive stones left over from making olive oil, things like raspberry seed extract and blueberry seed extract. So our supply chain is pretty complicated because the ingredients that we're upcycling have had an entire life before we even meet them.
Are you using any British ingredients?
Yes, I mean it's always something that's been on our radar. It's been very difficult to source British ingredients, mainly because of the climate. It just hasn't been warm enough to grow ingredients, but that has started to change. I mean, I think there are going to be more ingredients that are going to become available.
So Barbara, if I'm going to buy an eco-friendly skincare, what's the top tip to look out for one?
Good question, Emily. So my top tip is less is more. Look at the ingredients in the product. If it's less than 20, buy it. If it's more than 20, put it back.
But I think our success over the last 7 years, our very fast growth, has kind of proven that actually, you know, consumers are ready for this. And I think it's a bit of a shame that these sustainable stamps also always come with a premium price point.
More recently, we've launched our packaging return and refill scheme, where we receive back people's empty packaging. We sterilise it and clean it, and then refill it with their product and send it back to them. So it's truly a closed loop system.
But again, because of our commitment to circularity, we're able to do these initiatives that keep our price points low. It's really important that we also show our care for social causes and our commitment to our community as well. One of the biggest issues in beauty is the problem with packaging. It's really hard to recycle small bits of plastic, rubber, glass that are all combined. So through our plastic negative certification, we have calculated the entire amount of plastic that we use as a business. And then we fund impact projects in India where we pay the wages of waste workers to collect plastic from within 10 kilometers of the coastline. And we do that so that we are recovering twice as much plastic, leaving an actively positive impact on people and planet.